Hi guys, do you know one Bhramari activity can change your brain scan completely? It improves your beta by 10 times and alpha also significantly. So let's try Bhramari Pranayam today. Sit in comfortable position of pranayam. Put your thumb inside your ears near your inner cartilage like this. Put your index finger and middle finger on your eyelid, your ring finger above your upper lips and little finger down to your lower lips. Breathe in. While breathing out, release hummingbird sound. Always remember to have gratitude, care, compassion, and love kind of emotions while performing pranayam activities. These are called higher emotions.